Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Deepshika here and I hope you all are doing good. नमस्ते, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे. आशा करती हूँ आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे. So Virgo, today we're gonna do a reading for you for the month of July for the next 30 days. Alright, so let's see what's coming in for you. And please do connect with me on Instagram, or in case you would like to book a private reading with me, the link to everything is given in the description box. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. So we have 3 oracle messages for you here, so I'm going to show you 3 oracle messages first and then we're going to get into the other cards. Okay, so the first message over here is a new romantic cycle begins. So this is a very beautiful message for people who are looking for love, who are planning to get married. This is a very beautiful card. A new beginning in love for you is coming in. Definitely you will be meeting new people, arrange or love. It could be different for each and everyone, and this is a journal reading, so take as it resonates for you. All right, so definitely a new start coming in for you, and which is a very beautiful, it is gonna be a very beautiful start, I want to say. And you could be dealing with the Libra here, Taurus or Pisces maybe in the upcoming time. All right, and this is this is gonna be a very divinely guided kind of a connection, I want to say. Okay, and the next message for you is your dreams need a practical plan. So my dear, your professional life messages here, your dreams need a practical plan. All right, and especially if you are just thinking and not taking any actions. So especially ये टाइम है कि आप लोग एक नया एक प्लान करें बैठ के, एक प्रैक्टिकल प्लान करें बेसिकली, एंड यू जस्ट नॉट बीइंग जस्ट कि अब सोचे जा रहे हैं कि आगे हम क्या करेंगे, अब ये करेंगे बस सोच ही रहे हैं और कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू राइट डाउन थिंग्स, ओके, इन अ डायरी और इन अ plan with whomsoever you're planning right now, and just take actions, how to take actions. This and this you'll be doing after this, इसके बाद ये करेंगे, उसके बाद ये करेंगे. तो प्लान करें चीज़ों को, क्योंकि जब आप बैठ के प्लान करते हो चीज़ें तो यू हैव पॉइंट्स कि आप यू कैन रेफर बैक टू द डायरी ऑल्सो दैट यहाँ मैंने ये प्लान किया था, सो वी शुड गो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. So this is a very beautiful time, the next 30 days, that you should plan your life, plan your dreams, need a practical plan definitely. And it's time for you to take actions, for whatever you're looking forward to. And you need to meditate, you need to, if you're confused between something, if you want to balance, if something is unbalanced in your life right now, just get up in the morning maybe, or in the evening, whichever time suits you. Do meditation. You can do guided meditations करिए. You can club it with yoga and meditation. You can do yoga first, उसके बाद आप meditation कर सकते हैं. Definitely it's gonna be, you can start with 5 minutes, you can start with, उसके बाद आप 10 minutes के लिए कर सकते हैं. तो this is gonna be this time is gonna be a lot of inner search for you also, I'm getting over here. It is time for you to go inward rather than searching happiness outside. Okay, and inward, basically going deep within rather than looking for outside. Because if you're not happy with yourself, दूसरा बंदा या दूसरा सिचुएशन, दूसरा कुछ भी आपको हैप्पीनेस नहीं दे सकता है. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, ओके, रियली. So let's look into the other cards for you, my dear Virgo. And so beware of self-delusion, all right, in the upcoming 30 days, I want to say. And you need to look for what it is now, rather than just, you have to face the truth, I think, in the upcoming situation and regarding to a matter, I want to say over here. Okay. And new opportunities, definitely a new offer coming up, new opportunities, possibilities, best. अगर इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अगर आप अपने लिए एक न्यू जॉब भी देख रहे हैं तो न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आने वाली हैं आपके पास, विच इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड फॉर यू, आई वांट टू से. एंड न्यू पॉसिबिलिटीज़, अगर आप बाहर जाना चाह रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली आपके लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा टाइम है ये, कि आप प्लान करें उनको अच्छे से. ठीक है. एंड अगर आपका ये है कि कुछ बाहर से रिलेटेड है यहाँ पे, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू फॉरेन लैंड्स ओवर हियर, if you're waiting for something to coming, then definitely something that that offer is coming from foreign lands, or that opportunity is coming from foreign lands for you, I want to say, or you will be definitely going, because I'm just seeing 2 of wands, 3 of wands, all right, in tarot. Okay. So definitely good opportunities, new opportunities coming up for you. Okay. And time to get out of a situation. Okay. Maybe you could be dealing with something where you need to get out of it. It could be your past, it could be your something related to a business, I want to say over here, or a partnership maybe. Take care, or there will be a loss of material wealth. Definitely if you're into something risky, please देखिए उसको अच्छे से, उसके बाद आप आगे बढ़िए उस चीज़ में. ओके. मेक श्योर यू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर फाइनेंसेस, whomsoever you are, if you are in a partnership, or if you want to start something in partnership, just make sure you're dealing with the right person. Okay. And money is definitely coming in for you in the upcoming 30 days, because we have 2 beautiful cards. एक न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वाला कार्ड तो है ही आपके लिए, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ तो आ ही रही हैं आपके लिए. ओके. एंड न्यू it could be some kind of an inheritance, or it could be you must be you will be winning something, or some kind of property, और कुछ आप या तो आप कुछ खरीदने वाले हैं, कुछ प्लान कर रहे हैं खरीदने का. डेफिनेटली गुड फॉर्चून इज़ कमिंग इन for you, which is a very beautiful thing. एक न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, अगर आप जॉब देख रहे हैं या कुछ है, तो डेफिनेटली एक अच्छा कार्ड है. बेसिकली ये बहुत ही अच्छा पॉइंट है आपके लिए, आई वांट टू से. ओके. यू कुड बी मीटिंग somebody, some stranger that could be very very important for you, I want to say. And this is very amazing. This could be the person you're meeting, with a new cycle जो आपके लिए आ रही है, अभी न्यू बिगनिंग होने वाली है रोमांटिक साइकिल की. ये हो सकता है कि आप उनसे मिलें अभी, अब तक मिलेंगे, डेफिनेटली मिलेंगे अपकमिंग 30 days में. सो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड. और या फिर आप किसी प्रोफेशनल्स में देख रहे हैं तो आप उनसे भी मिल सकते हैं आगे. ठीक है. एंड वर्क, अचीवमेंट, सक्सेस, आपके कार्ड्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, मस्ट से वो. आई मीन professionally especially, you have very beautiful cards. Love cards are also amazing for love and everything. It's just what I feel right now is just it's time for little of going inwards, then rather than looking for validation, or I don't know, I'm getting validation because it's a message to somebody specific, I think. Rather than looking outwards, just look inwards. Your cards are really damn beautiful here, must say. Very beautiful in love and for professional, very amazing. And this is gonna be a spiritual love. Okay, this is I told you, this is like this is divinely guided. Okay, this is a very beautiful connection coming in your life, very beautiful. You could be meeting them through a rishtedar, I think, through a relative. I'm getting, or could be meeting online also. who's very spiritual, all right, who could be into a spiritual thing, who's very spiritual, or who could do meditation also. Oh, wow, amazing. Could be meeting who jo meditation, who's into meditation and something like that. Ooh, that's really amazing. How cards are really so connected in your reading, which is very great, huh? Which is, you could be meeting a person who's goal oriented, or you yourself right now, or in the upcoming days will be becoming a lot of, you'll be very, very goal oriented. And wow, I mean, I love your cards, yeah, man. Very amazing cards. Family wishes come true. और क्या चाहिए आपको? I mean, your family wishes are coming true in the next 30 days, and if not 30 days also, in the upcoming time, I'm telling you, because energy is fluid. So, it's really amazing. Obstacles, like are over, and wow, hard work, definitely hard work ahead. So be prepared. How your cards are so connected. I'm like so shocked. And happy to again see that your cards are so connected over here, related to love, related to your professional life, like back to back they are giving, messages for you. So very amazing reading, a very beautiful upcoming time for you. Be happy, be positive, and relax. Okay, so this is what I have for you, my dear Virgo. I hope I hope this reading resonated with you, and if it did, please do give a like and subscribe to my channel, alright? And do comment below one thing that you're grateful for in your life. And thank you very much for tuning in, and bye bye, and take care, and bye.